Food can be a major burden when you're traveling overland, especially in a large group. And we take that burden off your shoulders so you can focus on training, on your client experience, whatever your focus is on your group, we ensure that you're gonna have the best food possible. I'm Jason Schaub, owner of Overland Cookery, and we specialize in large group food service in remote areas. You roll with us, you show up to camp, we have a full bar set up, we have appetizers, you can hang out around the campfire, chat, do what's most important to you, which is having a good time. We handle all the food service issues.
It is the most incredible food that we've ever had, and everyone is raving about the food in a camp-style kitchen.
It's top notch. I mean, it's better than half the restaurants you eat at on the road.
Everything from the breakfasts to the lunches that they give us on the road, but especially the dinners. They're so well thought out and they're so delicious.
It was really great, knowing that no matter what happened, we were going to make it back to camp and the food was going to be fantastic.
So for me, it took this experience from here to here.
We've run some of the hardest trails in the country, and we carry a full recovery kit. We do all our own vehicle maintenance ourselves. You're not gonna have to worry about us. We love being outdoors, love being on the road. Where Overland Cookery really started from. Everyone on our team loves being here, and we can't wait to talk with you and hopefully join you on your next trip and make it the best that it can be.